Hello friends. So welcome to this amazing lecture in Flet again, how to use or how to package this application of yours. So we have the application in place already and we've coded that. That was the dp.py. So I've changed the file's name from the profile or from dp.py. I've put that in an application folder now. So let's just migrate to the application folder first. So I have inside the Flet folder, I have CD app. So once I'm inside that app, I can just check what is there inside. So yeah, I have the dp.py file inside. Now the library or the package which I'm going to use is the py installer. So let's just clear this out, and you will need to install the py installer using this command, that is pip install py installer. So I have already installed that on my machine, so I will get a requirement satisfied. But if you're not, it will take a while to install py installer, and all the other dependencies will be installed in your machine. And after that is done, what you have to do is using this py installer library or this package py installer, and then your file name, that your file name is dp.py, and after that just press enter. So what py installer will do is it will create your application package or whole application package and all the dependencies which are required to run this application on a Windows machine or a Mac machine. So this running or this procedure will take a while now, and all the dependencies will be installed, as you can see. Let's just give it a while and till this is happening. So you will see that inside the folder there are some other folders being created, that is build and dist, and there is a dp.spec file which is created. So we are actually interested in the dist folder. Whatever is present or whatever will be there will be in the dist folder. So once this everything is in place, what we need to do is we'll create a exe file out of it. So yeah, we have a billing collected, completed successfully. Now what we need to do is clear this out, and we need to fire a command, that is dist folder, through the dist folder. So dist, and then instead of your program name was dp, so it will create inside the dist folder, there will be dp and then there will be a slash. With that you can just provide dp.exe. So let's hope for the best that this file of yours runs, your machine, your application runs very smoothly. Yeah, so it's running smoothly, and let's just now search for Instagram ID or a username. That's my Instagram handle. So if everything goes very smoothly, yeah, I can see my application being perfectly installed. And mind you, I ran this application not by a Python command, I ran it on the exe. This file was run by me, the exe file was run by me, and I can see the application running very smoothly. So this is now a packaged application from Python, which you can share it to your friends, and you can also utilize this application yourselves on your machine. And there'll be some cool applications which we'll be developing. Not only this, we'll be developing some cool stuff and some cool with some cool UI, some features and some animations as well. So stay tuned for the further lectures, and thank you.